Greetings, my name is Teresa West. Today I will explain my plan and my proposed design for the SWOT-SDOC threat matrix. The instruction for the SWOT-SDOC threat matrix will be for officers to independently and individually memorize signed sections of the threat matrix. Specifically given instruction through computer-based training, officers will interpret cultural codes according to the standards and best practices within a self-structured, individualized environment. In view of that, it was very important to utilize a humanistic approach because this humanistic approach will not only ensure efficiency and effectiveness and reliability, but it will foster an environment for a learning environment that focuses on the learner. More importantly, this approach will humanize the learning environment as well as add flexibility to the learning environment. For instance, the humanistic approach will enable me to concentrate on the learner as well as improve the quality of instruction. There are three ways to focus on the learner. First, needs analysis. Second, learner analysis. Third, SWOT tools analysis. The needs analysis will enable me to determine what is and what should be for the individual learner. Detect inconsistencies between individuals and the jobs they are placed on, and compare what is and what should be for the organizational internal operation. Second, the learner analysis will enable me to focus on the individual learner, determining what the learner will master to alleviate a problem, opposed to focusing on the content itself. Finally, the SWOT tools analysis will, well, first I need to tell you what the SWOT tools is. SWOT tools is something I just learned. SWOT means strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This tool will enable me to identify and map the internal and external factors that hinder or assist the learner with their learning goals or their achievements. In order to improve the quality of instruction, it is important to utilize the AEIOU model. A stands for accountability. E stands for effectiveness. And I stands for impact. O stands for organizational context. U stands for unexpected consequences. Therefore, to enhance the instructional design, it is important to focus on the learner and the end, focus on the design of the course with the learner in mind. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this presentation.